As promised, today we'll be doing a really delicious, crispy vegetarian burger, and we'll be using my favorite vegetarian protein, paneer, as the star of this recipe. Now I say this on every video that I do or every recipe that I make with paneer, but paneer is just so amazing. And if you've been waiting for a vegetarian burger recipe for me, then let me know so in the comment section down below, and let me know what you would like me to do next. Of course, if you cannot find paneer at your local grocery store, your local Indian store, you can make it at home. But if that's too much work for you, you could try to make this with tofu. I personally haven't made it, but I'm sure it'll be good. Now, paneer is also known as Indian cottage cheese, and it's called cottage cheese because there's no direct translation to English. But don't get cottage cheese and confuse that with paneer. Make sure the packaging actually says paneer if you're buying it from a store. So let's get right into it. So I have a big block of paneer here, and I'm going to be slicing that in half. So the thickness of each patty would be roughly an inch in thickness. Then we'll do a classic Panko breading with a twist. So we'll need our flour for dusting and then 1 or 2 eggs. Now in the eggs is where we'll do the actual seasoning to flavor the paneer. And we'll season that with degi mirch. Now degi mirch is a type of red chili which is mild in spice but provides a really bright, vibrant color. Now for any reason, if you can't find degi mirch, you can always use paprika. Don't use regular chili powder or you might end up making your burger too spicy. Then also season it with some salt, pepper, and just for some added fragrance, an optional ingredient that I would recommend is some dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Just a pinch of that, and that's gonna really make that burger feel amazing when you bite into it. And then of course we'll have some plain Panko breadcrumbs. So go ahead and cover your paneer patty with that flour and then dip it into your egg mixture. Make sure you cover each side, and then we'll go back to the flour and then again into the egg. For the second time, make sure you cover all that flour and then transfer it carefully into your Panko breadcrumbs. Now here you have to be really careful. So you want to make sure the coating is even all throughout, and just to help make sure that those breadcrumbs are really embedded in the patty, just put some light pressure with the palms of your hands to make sure that it's really well coated. Now do the same thing with any remaining patties, and then we are ready to fry. Now before we get into the actual frying, let's talk about the sides. So today I'll be doing some deep fried fries, but you can also make oven baked fries or air fried fries. I'll link those recipes down below. It's really easy and you are going to love it. I'll also be doing my recipe for spicy aioli, so I'll link that down below as well. So be sure to use that if you're looking for a spicy kick. As for what's going into the burger, just some lettuce and some red onions. And to really make this burger really special, I made some fresh buns earlier today, and that's what I'll be having because homemade bread is unlike anything else. So if you're doing deep fried fries today, you want to soak the fries for at least 15 to 20 minutes to get some of that starch out, and then pat the fries dry. Then heat your frying oil to 125 Celsius and then cook the potatoes until they are soft. Then we'll bump the heat up to 175 Celsius, and that's going to be the perfect temperature to cook our fries and make our patty. So what do you do first, the paneer or the fries? Well, I decided to do the paneer first, although I did have to dip it back in to the oil to really reheat it because of recording, and it did take a bit longer to show everything, and I didn't want to have a cold burger. So once the oil is hot, gently and carefully add your patties into that oil. You want to look for a nice golden brown color, and you'll feel when that patty becomes nice and crispy. Now this patty is a thick one, so because it's paneer, it's vegetarian, you don't have to worry about if it's cooked inside or not. All you're looking for is that perfect color. As soon as you have that, set that aside and then finish cooking up your fries. Alright, so now let's assemble the actual burgers. So I grilled my buns just to get some nice char and some nice toastiness to it, and then I'm gonna add in my spicy aioli. Then top that off with your lettuce and then gently add in your paneer patty. I've also added some red onions on the top bun, so gently close that top bun, and there you have your huge crispy vegetarian burger. And like I always say, if you have paneer, you really will not think about any other meat, because paneer is just so special. The best thing I like about this burger is the contrast between that beautiful crispy thick crust, because we double breaded it, and that soft juicy paneer. I don't know how paneer can be juicy, but it is, and it's just amazing. Now this burger came into my life thanks to McDonald's a long time ago, and before this burger was actually introduced, my favorite vegetarian burger was the crispy potato burger called the McAloo Tikki burger from McDonald's. But this was game changing. And you know that I really love recreating and elevating and refining my favorite fast food favorites at home, just to bring those moments, those memories back in to my kitchen to create new memories. So if you want to do the same, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, make this burger, create your memories, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye guys.